Caramel spread one spread. You will love it. You will do it every day. As you see, you can use it also filling for many cookies or even macarons. Let's do three ingredients only caramel spread. Let's go. You can see 250 gram of sugar in stainless steel pan. I prefer stainless steel because it's good to use it for caramel, or you can use other pan. You mix it to be dark golden. Very important, the color of the sugar. When it's dark golden, 80 gram butter. You keep stirring to melt it and becomes this amazing color and the aroma of flavor. 1 cup, 200 gram fresh cream. That's it. You mix it all together. You keep stirring to dissolve all the crystallized sugar. Boiling for 1 minute, then pour into a container. Leave it in the fridge 2-3 hours to cool down. When it's cooled down, you whisk into machine. You can see the dark color now, and after we whisk the caramel. You can use KitchenAid, you can use hand mixer, whatever you have available. Just whisk for 2 minutes. You can see it's brown, and after 2 minutes becomes darker and richer. And now is brown light color. This is the caramel spread is ready. You can keep in the container, in the fridge. You can use it for 1 week, 2 weeks in the fridge. Also, you can fill many cookies or macaron. The taste and flavor is so good. Keep in the container. Wow, you can see the consistency, the texture of the spread. Keep it in the fridge. Please, if you like the video, make share with your friends, leave a comment, and if you're shy, make like for the video.